today is a 2006 Sea Ray 320 Sundancer at Ease 2, located in Carolina Beach, North Carolina, which is near Wilmington. You see we've got the extended swim platform. This boat is a boat buyer's dream in that the boat owner has done everything he possibly can to make this boat literally turnkey and more. Sorry about that, I had to pick something up. So we'll step in and get a tour. You can see we've got a cockpit refrigerator here, which is new in June of 2019. The cabin fridge worked fine, but the boat owner replaced them both just because that's how he rolls. You can see we've got a large U-shaped aft seat. Just a little bit of mold in the seats, but I'm confident that that would come out. No tears, rips, fading, anything like that. Got our port side companion seat. The isinglass, by the way, the full enclosure, is all new from 2019. So you can see it's crystal clear. And looking at our helm seat with the flip-up thigh rises, stepping up to the helm area. I guess I'm the master of the obvious, huh? The big thing here is this Garmin unit is new in June of 2019, as is this high-end handheld Garmin VHF radio. Garmin unit has depth feature and also radar, and that was about $10,000 worth of upgrades literally in June of this year. No fading, there's a helm cover, so no fading of the panels that you see on some boats. By the way, if you have any questions after watching this video, my name is Mike, please give me a call. And now we'll take a look at an overview of the cabin area. So we've got the crescent-shaped dinette with cherry wood table. By the way, there's also a cherry wood table for the cockpit, and that is stowed under the engine hatch, which is electrically operated. And we'll see the full galley off on the port side here. So again, that refrigerator was also new in June. Up top you can see the microwave. There's a 2-burner electric stove right here and lots of storage upper and lower. Popular cherry wood interior decor. This bedding and forward stateroom soft goods are all new also from June of 2019. Just panning around again. The boat shows very nicely. She's only had 2 owners since new. Boat was ordered from MarineMax new. You can see we've got the large flat screen TV. That's a newer smart TV, so that's been updated since 2006. Again, all of the fabrics and everything down here show very nicely. Of course, looking into the mid cabin now. Got a flip down TV back here as well. The air was on when I arrived, as well as a fan, so the owner keeps a lot of air moving, so there's no mold, mildew smell, anything like that. I'll just take a quick peek in the head here. And that faucet does lift out and mounts up here if you did want to shower. There's also a hot and cold transom shower. You have the vacuum flush head with macerator. We'll finish up back out in the cockpit. I'd like to just talk a little bit about the engines. So they're the twin 350 mag MPI V drives. The engines and generator both had a full service in June of 2019. They have about 500 hours on the engine, around 300 hours on the generator. The engines even got new raw water pumps. Other recent maintenance includes a new windlass motor. She was bottom painted in June. New windshield vent motor, new cockpit shower head. Even the vacuum flush head system was fully serviced. So in 2019, the boat owners put about $20,000 into this boat in terms of upgrades. It should be about as close of a turnkey 2006 as you could hope to find. Again, about half of that $20,000 is sitting right there in that gorgeous Garmin GPS chart plotter. Okay, pretty day in late September 2019 here in Carolina Beach, North Carolina. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If I can be of further assistance, please give me a call. Thank you very much.